Hi, girls. What do you want to do today?
I don't know yet.
Hmm? This trip is really for these two.
Oh, I wanna.
Sa totoo lang, more than my brother and I. Yeah. It's for Luna and Millie. Alam niyo ba si Luna? Walang pinsan buo dito sa Canada kasi, no? Sa Pilipinas, dalawa lang sila. Ayun. Tapos, lolo-lola, wala na rin siya on both sides. Kaya, we really thank Ate Millie for visiting. Diba? I mean, it's very common among Filipinos abroad, diba? Limited ang mga kamag-anak. Okay. No! What's the rule?
No crossing street.
Okay. Only on the
Pedestrian walk.
pedestrian walk and only stay on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito na yung chateau.
Alright, let's go. Uulan eh.
Oo nga eh. Pero ito na yun.
Luna, stop.
Nako po. No, Luna.
Too steep.
Oh, ito yung may viewpoint eh.
Tayo nagpunta yung may kusiro pa dyan.
There's a viewpoint. Yan natin. Huh? What happened? Oh, because yan, umaraw bigla. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, may nadapa na agad. It's okay. How are you feeling? It's okay. Come on. Look at the view here. Kuya kong kamukha ko ba?
I see the whole entire building.
Go, Ate Millie. It's like a boardwalk with parang ilalim yata nito may mga restaurants eh. Tama ba? Yan. Okay.
Saktong-sakto.
Dalawa nakipaglaro na sa aso. Oh, kami naman. Beautiful. Buti na lang, umaraw na. Ibang-iba to dun sa pinanggalingan ng mga kapatid ko sa Vancouver, 'di ba? So different.
Very foggy.
Aha. Yun, no? Hey, what do you call that? Who knows? A cannon! That's right, Ate Millie.
Legal.
Bale, nandito kami. Okay. So, it's a National Historic Site.
Wait.
They're in jail.
Wine.
It's floating popcorn!
That's magic.
Okay, akitin natin to. Pwede daw dyan eh. Okay, careful ha. If look at that, the Tower of Rapunzel.
Dear, set up ka ng photo. Ganda rin dito. Ayun yung pala eh. Ate Mini. Kala mo talaga ano eh. Kumending nga. Usually hindi kasama. Oo. Na natakot na.
Naka 2 weeks na raw yung, naka 2 weeks na sila sa Vancouver, hindi pa sila nakakatikim ng poutine.
Baka dito may masarap.
Poutine is, dito nga nag-originate sa Quebec, di ba?
Sabi ni Daddy.
You wanna hold it and you guys talk?
Okay.
Go, you talk.
Actually, I want to know.
Oh, Ate Millie na lang daw.
How about let's run?
These cute restaurants.
You guys know this car park?
Who's this? It is. So many. What animals? So many dogs here. Yeah, just kidding. I know they're cats.
Ito inay. May ginaya to.
Ganda naman
imposible.
dito. Tapos sakto because it's midweek. There's not a lot of people. Tapos parang nga magsasarado na eh. Anong oras na? I think this is the Place Royal. Hindi, no, yung
Ay,
totoo.
sorry. Kala ko Denzel Washington.
Place Royal. Alam ko there's a historical significance to this place. Parang plaza siya, no? Hanapin natin yung yung historical, yung story niya ba? Ito, there's a church here. O sige guys, intindihin natin. Tulungan niyo ako ha. Babe, how are you liking our tour today?
To be honest.
Wala kang
Sobrang-
masagot. Ano ba yan? Oh.
Nakapunta na tayo dito before, pero day trip lang. Ano ako, parang gulat pa rin. Hindi ko alam na ganito siya kaganda.
Yeah.
Sobrang lumang ano to. Parang yun nga, European country.
Where are they? Okay.
Hi! Ate Millie pushed me. Oh, fine.
Stop. Don't fight na. Ha? Okay, you tell me, you girls tell me, how are you guys liking Quebec?
Good.
What do you think about it?
Good.
Are you liking what you've seen so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, what have you seen?
I have
Pero pag
seen
ganun, 1 minute.
flags.
Huh?
I have seen flags everywhere.
Flags everywhere, that's right. How about the food that we ate?
It's yummy. The spaghetti that we ate today, and I like the pizza.
The pizza? Yeah, because we ate we ate Italian, right?
Yeah, I can.
Guys, nalaglag ko kanina tong camera ko. Oh my God, parang tumigil yung tibok ng puso ko. Kala ko nabali. Buti na lang hindi. Okay? Buti na lang. Thank you, Jesus. Look at this wall art behind me. De Quebecois. A little history. Inaral ko yan. Inaral ko lahat ng to nung nag-citizenship exam ako, guys. Kunyari, that's your friend, oh. Say hi!
Wait lang.
Let's have a picture first. Guys, Ate Millie. 1, 2.
Now,
Strawberry, banana.
Because your tita is vlogging first.
What's this? Savory alam ko ito, savory.
mushy ano to?
Just plain. Yes, where we are today! You see that behind me? Nasa parking lot na kami, but it's the Mount Morenci Falls. Okay, say hi!
Hi! I wanna see her.
Hi! Are you guys excited for the falls? Okay, so we're gonna go on that gondola, no? This is just a 12-15 minute drive away from Quebec City. Ang lapit.
Good job.
And it's perfect because walang pila. Wala pang pila ngayon. I'm not sure, but this is the entrance. Hi! For a group of 6, for the cable car is for the suspension bridge too, right?
It's to access up the falls, then you can walk to the suspended bridge.
Got it. Ayan, oh, ito lang pila. Oh.
Strap ko lang.
Muna kami ng straps.
Your strap.
Didn't put the big handle for you guys. Your tags? You ready? Make sure they don't come off.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, come.
Ah.
Go in front. Okay, let's go. Where is it? Yeah.
Saan niya lang daw?
Ooh, front kami. May mga kasabay pala dito. Okay. Excited? Ikaw, are you nervous? Let's go. Look at the falls from here. No? Zoom in. Nakikita niya ba tong... Do you see that? Ito, yan. Oh. May stairs. Pwede raw bumaba galing suspension bridge. Bababa kayo by walking valley pababa dyan. Pero wag na, mag-gondola na lang kami pabalik.
Luna. Remember time, Luna. Say hello.
It's a little rainbow. You see it? Takot ka? Takot ka? Sabi ka lang. Papahinto na.
Sa asawa ko lang ako natatakot.
Papa.
Is it true that there's a pot of gold?
Where's the
Let's try to find it. Let's try to find it, okay?
I see it there.
The pot of gold? Okay, there's gonna be a treasure there.
Time but anything.
Hey, that's the other Luna and Millie. Stay. Okay, let's now you go. Woohoo! What's dyan yata, no? Oh, there's a viewing deck. Okay.
It's closer? Huh?
Yeah, look at the island.
Okay.
See that one? I did that.
Palakad na kami sa suspension bridge.
I want to go.
So this Montmorency Falls, mas mataas pala siya sa Niagara Falls. And then we're gonna cross the suspension bridge right above it. Exciting! Ooh, dito na tayo. Okay, so we can go up there now. Kinakabahan ako, baka ma-let go ko tong aking camera. Woo! There it is! Okay. Okay. Malawak naman. Malawak naman. At hindi shaky. Oh my God, okay. Hindi talaga yung parang hanging na umuuga-uga. Oh. Bakit? Hindi naman umuuga eh. Luna, yung dalawa, bebo, yung dalawa, oh. Oy! Pag nilalagay ko yung camera ko over, naninikip yung puwet ko sa kaba. Ano ba yan? Yan. Wala naman parang time limit. There's no time limit as to how long you should stay here. You can cross if you wanna take the stairs going down, or dito ka lang din, babalik ka rin pabalik dito to ride the gondolas again. Hey, are you guys happy? Oh, wow! See? Oh, it's starting to rain. Muulan. Oh, kita niyo tubig? Okay. Lalamig pa lalo dahil umuulan. Yung mga bagets, baka magkasakit. So, we have to head back. Yan na. Isalamin ko, kita niya yung tubig. Okay. Mukha namang titila din to soon. Ayan. Wala kasi kaming payong eh. Tumigil na yung ulan, kaya bumalik kami. O, naman kami. Luna, where are you? Nagtatago sa likod ko. Aba, may duck oh. Kalain nyo. You see the duck? Ano? Takot ka ba? Yeah. Oh, we crossed it. We're on the other side. Dahil nakita namin may viewing deck dito. Alright, there's a viewing deck over there. Yun. So we're gonna go. Okay? Let's look at the falls from here. Yun. Okay. Poutine. Time for poutine. Dito kami nagputin. Cas Croûte Chef. Ano yung pangalan? Chef Gaston. Chef Gaston.
C'est sauce à porc.
Look at that.
Celle-là aussi, dans le fond, c'est sauce à porc.
Ganyan tayo eh. Di ba? It's gonna be their first time trying poutine. And it's perfect na dito kunin dahil dito sa Quebec nag-originate ang poutine. Ano poutine? Ganun. Share sila sa isang size. Ganun. Habang nagchichikahan. Hey, Ate Millie, are you tired? How is it? Na iba to, hindi to classic poutine eh. Go something.
Meat.
Masarap ba?
Yeah.
Kasi French lahat
Different.
Yan na yun. That's dinner.
Heavy.
Oh, heavy nito.
Ate Millie, you like your gravy fries? Yum. This is the classic. More daw sa mga bagets.
Hindi, ito.
This one has toppings.
Ay, pinatay ko.
Really stay there. Just like Victoria.
Beautiful.
Come on na. Ano?